Kisanga meni mama kuna sulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna sulwe Kuruanga maumame Kisanga meni mama kuna sulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna sulwe Kuruanga maulwe tambudirie Kulusikanga mia ulwe tambudirie Uluturi kungana kumbundongale Uluturi kungana kumbu ya dongie Kimpa kisanga meni mama kuna zulue Kindoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulue Kuruanga maumame Kimpa kisanga meni mama kuna zulue Kindoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulue Kuruanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kindoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Ululoka mumpimpa mame Avyolunata mumpimpa mame Kaminyolunata mumpimpa mame Sunimi bantu lutamine Ulu kwenda zandu ni pimpa mame Ulu loka mu pimpa mame Ulu oanga maumame Kipa kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Ulu oanga maumame Kipa kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Lugana nkwala yefanda yelutela mambwe Lugana nkwala yeleka yelutela kende Ululoka mumpimpa lwe tambudirie Ululoka mumpimpa lwe tambudirie Kimpa kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kindoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kuruanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kindoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kuruanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kindoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Mbisi zimpimpa lutateke Malafuma mpimpa lutateke Mimpuka mipimpa lutateke Suni mibantu lutamine Makasuma mpimpa lutakabe Yema polisi mampimpa mame Kuruanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kuruanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Ulugoga mumpimpa lwe tambudirie Munu baleki ba mutandile Munu mari tandile Munu lalumputu tandile Ulu turi kungana kumbundongale Ulu turi kungana kumbu ya dongie Ulu oanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kuruanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Hangana namba ayala angena nzu ayolukotisa mukanda yolukotisa mukanda kukatuka kakushitila bana benu kaluzai lukaba benu zibula mesu lutela kumambuti yani basisilakani kazibula mesu hangebet ngedia kazibula mesu kakamasini makutunga etunga kakange hange matunga ngendo mwana nsuka zibula mesu kukuyena na malot kukuyena na milan landa lulanda kungunza kwenda tukwenda obwama bwama bwa
Ulo agama umame Kipaki sanga meni mama kuna sudwe Indo kiki sanga meni mama kuna sudwe Ulo agama umame Kipaki sanga meni mama kuna sudwe Indo kiki sanga meni mama kuna sudwe
Ulo agama umame Ulo sikanga bia umame Tungana kwala yefanda yenutela mamwe Ulo loka mupimpa mame Ulo agama umame Kipaki sanga meni mama kuna zulwe
Ulo agama umame Kipaki sanga meni mama kuna sudwe Indo kiki sanga meni mama kuna sudwe Ulo agama umame Kipaki sanga meni mama kuna sudwe Indo kiki sanga meni mama kuna sudwe
Malapuma nsamba mu français ke dinki
Fais-le-pas,
abulungwile
écoutez-moi.
yeli kabaleki bo Malapuma nsamba mu français ke dinki
Fais-le-pas,
abaleke abulungwile écoutez-moi yeli kamapola salakisa
kisalo kya musalange na mpange. Baba ndo ikaba sangi misiki mpaku na Zulu. Yaba.
Hello, Kiambote, Ngizambote, Sizolonga ndinga Kikongo, ndinga kintinu kia Kongo de Totila. Tuto ndele Ngizambote, welcome We're going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Tutondele. Kitwa Lomuka. Kitwa Kaisa Pangize. Feedback. Speaker brother. Okay, I'm sorry. I need to use my earphones. Something wrong. I'm sorry. Let me just try to. Yes. Is it? I think it's right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
it is
Okay.
much better.
Tutondele. Tutondele. Kiambote Tata Allen.
Kiambote.
Lona Mavimpi,
Ingeta. Kunoma vimpi tutondele.
Ah, Tutondele. Kiambote Nengwa Tariwa.
Kiambote.
Lona Mavimpi,
Ingeta tuna mavimpi tutondele.
Oh, very good. Wow, well done. Let me just try to share my screen. We're going back to the same lesson. This is a revision. Tutondele. Let me just share my screen. Oh, that was good. Wow. I'm very impressed, you know. Yes. Okay, save time, but don't go ahead to listen. Okay. Tata Allen, Zolele Kunkile. Oh, I have sent me still. Tata Allen, please.
Zolele kunkilie. Elo. Zolele kukila.
Tutondele. Nengwa Tariwa.
Zolele kunsadise.
Sadise.
Kunsadise. Do
Kunsadise.
you want to help me? Kun elo nzolele kusadisa.
Oh, well done. Tata Allen.
Zolele kundonge.
Good.
Elo. Zolele kulonga.
Good. Oh, doing this live is very risky. I don't want to take chance.
Zolele.
Okay. Go ahead, please.
Zolele kumbone. Elo nzolele kumona.
Can you go? Zolele Kumbone.
Zolele kumbone. Elo nzolele kumona.
Thank you. Well done. Tata Allen.
Zolele kunsonekene.
Zolele Kunsonekene.
Zolele kusonekene. Elo. Zolele kusonekena.
Well done. Nengwa Tariwa, please.
Zolele kundambile. Elo nzolele kulambila.
Well done. Kulambila, well done. Tata Allen.
Zolele kunfile.
Zolele Kumpivile.
Zolele kumpivile. Zolele kumpivile.
Zolele Kumpivile.
Zolele kupivile. Elo. Zolele kuvivila.
Thank you. Nengwatariwa.
Zolele kumpingile.
Well done.
Elo nzolele kuvingila.
Yeah. I'm just taking some. Okay, wow, good. Tata Allen.
Zolele kutangile. Elo nzolele kutangila.
Wow. Thank you. Nengwatariwa.
Zolele kungindule. Elo nzolele kuyindula.
Zolele kungindule. Elo nzolele kuyindula. Can you go again, please?
Zolele kungindule. Elo nzolele kuyindula.
Well done. Wow. Long vowel. Very good. Tata Allen.
Zolele kungwe.
Zolele kungwe.
Zolele kungwe. Elo nzolele kuwa.
Well done. Nengwatariwa.
Zolele kundike. Elo nzolele kudika.
Zolele kundike. Elo nzolele kudika. Please.
Zolele kundike.
Well done.
Elo nzolele kudika.
Yes. Tata Allen.
Wow.
Do your best. Don't worry, do your best.
Zolele kumpi fimpe.
Zolele kumfimpe.
Zolele kumfimpe.
Well done.
Elo ndolele kumfimpa.
Yes. Nengwatariwa.
Zolele
Kundate.
Kundate. Elo nzolele kunata.
Again, please.
Zolele kundate. Elo nzolele kunata.
Kundate. I think I said last time. So what we have in common is the long vowel, but as in any language variant, tone are very tricky, no, to judge. Yes, well done. We're done for this one. Let me go to. I need to test you again. Numbers. Yes. Number. You need to know a number because it's good, no? If you are going to send a secret message, to Nengwa Maria. Okay. I think. Okay, we'll talk in private. You want to send a secret message to Nengwa Maria, a number. I go to million. Okay, I need to say it in Congo. Okay, then you know the number. You should know your number. Okay. Yeah, can you try? Nengwatariwa, 1 to 10, please.
Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Tanu, Sambanu,
Tatu
ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Sambwadia, Nana, Vwa, Kumi.
Well done. Bravo. Tata Allen.
Mpavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Tambwadia,
Mm.
Nana,
Mm.
Wa, Kumi.
Wow, well done, well done. Yes. Can you try tens? Nengo Tediwa, please.
Kumi,
Yes.
makumole, makumatatu,
Mm.
makumaya,
Yeah.
makumatanu,
Mm.
makumasambanu,
Mm.
lusambwadia,
Well done.
lunana, luvwa, and
Kama. Yeah. Talent.
Kumi, Makumole,
Mm.
Makumatatu,
Tatu.
Makumaya, Makumatanu,
Mm.
Makumasambanu,
Mm. Change.
Yes.
Well
Luntambwadia,
done.
Lunana,
Mm.
Luvwa,
Mm.
Nkama.
Yeah, well done.
Kama.
Yeah, well done. Okay. Funda is 1,000. So hundreds is very easy. Tatal, and over to you again.
Okay, so
100, yeah.
Kama Zole, Kama
Mm.
Tatu,
Yes,
Kama Ya,
yes.
Kama Tanu,
Mm.
Kama Sambanu,
Yes,
Kama Tambwadia,
yes.
Kama Nana,
Mm.
Kama Vwa,
Mm.
Fundi Mosi.
Funda. Yes, Funda di most of Funda. It's something, yeah.
Funda.
1,000, 1,000. Yeah, you're right. Wow, bravo. Then what did you?
kama zole, kama tatu, kama ya, kama tanu, kama sambanu, kama sambwadia, kama nana, kama vwa,
Mm.
and fundi dimosi.
Yeah, Funda di most well done. Wow. Question, Mafunda Mole. What is Mafunda Mole? Funda is 1,000. Mafunda Mole. Tatale?
Mafunda Mole.
Mm.
That's is that
You go to your Funda and you go to your 2. Your Funda times 2.
Is that so?
Yes,
That's
correct. Then what I do?
Is that 10,000?
Yes, 2,000. Yes.
So it's 2,000.
Yeah, you go to your Funda 3,000 and you go
Oh
to
yeah,
your,
yeah. 2,000.
Yeah, thank you very much. Well done. Wow.
Okay.
Let me just try to show. I need to share because it's always to keep going back to. And then what tell you? I've forgotten your turn now. Yes, now it's you. Yes, please.
Okay.
Funda, yes. Mm.
Isn't Funda 1,000?
Yeah, then. We mean 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Just thousands, please.
That's what you want me to do. Okay, let me try.
Have you done it before? Did you do it? You need to count to kiasi kama Funda is a million. Mm.
Okay, let me try. Okay, Funmosi,
Mm.
Mafunda Mole,
Mm.
Mafunda Matatu,
Mm.
Mafunda Maya,
Mm.
Mafunda Matanu,
Mm.
Mafunda Masambanu,
Mm.
Mafunda Masambwadia,
Mm.
Mafunda Manana,
Mm.
Mafunda Mavwa,
Mm. You don't even decide to put a mark between the number Mafunda Mole, Mafunda Matatu, Mafunda Tatu, Mafunda Maya. That's fine.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. How do you say 5,000? Mafunda
1,000.
Tano. Yeah, Mafunda Tano. Let me just share it, yeah. That's fine. That's very good. Well done. Very good. Well done.
How do you say? You said Mafunda.
Yes, Tata, yes.
No. You were saying how do you say 10,000?
Let me try to display my.
Okay.
Let me display. Yeah. Go ahead, your question, Tata, please.
No, my question was I think Ningwa Tadwa got to 9,000, and I think she got to 10,000. I didn't hear what the 10,000 was.
Yeah. Can you see my screen? Yes.
Oh, Mafunda Kumi. Okay.
Yeah, Mafunda Kumi. Mafunda Tano, 5,000. Are you right? Yes, Mafunda Tano.
Yes. Okay.
That's why I said that Ma, you don't need to put necessarily Ma between them, yes, between Mafunda and the 5, yes.
Yes.
You're right, Tata Len. Are you okay, Tata Len?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, you don't need to put necessarily Ma between Mafunda and Tano.
Okay.
Kama za Mafunda. I think you understand the logic, yes?
Yeah.
It's busy.
Yes.
Yeah, let's see. Listen, I mean,
No, I don't have this.
yeah,
So I
you don't need to memorize anything. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
You know your numbers. Don't worry about it. I'm just going back just to underline something. Funda Dimos is there. Tata, can you see Funda? Let me just use my laser pointer. Funda ye kamatanu ye makumatanu. Yeah? Funda is there. 1,000, yes? Kamatanu, you know your number Kamatanu is? What is Kamatanu? Tata, Kamatanu.
500.
Yes. Ye makumatanu. Yeah, Mafunda Tanu is there, 5,000. Mafunda Kumi, 10,000. Are you with me? Mafunda, yeah, 1,000. Kumi is there. Mafunda, basically you are saying Mafunda, you are saying Funda times 10, yes? Here, yes?
Yeah.
Times 10, Mafunda. Mafunda means, Funda is 1. M-A plural in Kikongo, yeah? Mafunda makumatanu, yeah? You know your number. Kama za Mafunda. Some people say kama Mafunda, yeah? Kama Mafunda. Kamatanu za Mafunda. Kamatanu. Mafunda is there. 1,000, 500,000. Are you okay? Yeah, it's fine. No, you didn't. Did I send you the file? This one. I did.
Yes.
I did, yes?
I think you did.
Yeah. You don't need to memorize, but you know your number. I'm happy. I'm very, very impressed. Well done. We're done for today. I'm staying. You are going. Then what did you say to me? What did you say to me? What are you going to say?
Nusala Kiambote.
Yes. Nusala Kiambote. Why did you? Nusala Kiambote. Yeah, well done. Why did?
No. You said
Nusala Kiambote. Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, but you said
Go ahead, yes.
Yeah, but you said you're going and she's staying, right?
No, I'm staying.
Oh, you're staying and she okay.
Sorry, you are going. I'm staying.
Okay.
So I'm staying. You are going.
Nusala Kiambote.
I'm going. You are staying. Tetale.
Tu kwenda Kiambote.
I'm going. You staying?
I'm staying. Right. So I'm saying to you to go well too. Am I saying that right or wrong?
No, I know what you mean. You are there. No, you have an idea.
Yeah, I'm staying.
Can you help? I'm going. You staying?
When the Kiambote.
Yeah, when the Kiambote. Correct, but because of respect.
Oh, no, when the Kiambote.
Yes. Why when the Kiambote? Why?
Why when the Kiambote?
Yes.
Because he's telling you to go because you're leaving.
Because you say that to many people or elder, yes?
Or to show respect, yes.
Yeah, oh, that's good. Thank you very much. Tutondele. Okay, see you next Sunday.
Tutondele.
Tutondele, bye.
Tutondele, okay.
Thank you.
Papi Salomon, William Longa, le coordonnateur, Père Mandela. Tony Masudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu. Agua Bungo. Philip Kamango. Pemba Masagila. Zotoru Kanu.
Lisa Keita Kulama Serge Ngodo na San Diego
Kinshasa, Kinshasa, Congo, Chile, Chile,